Hello there, welcome to Pleasure Learning SuperMemo. Yesterday I did 100 days of using SuperMemo, and the big change I did, I had this as a deck in Anki, but I did just a few, I don't know, 200 repetitions, so I don't mind starting from scratch. But the thing is that I did flip the order of Q&A. So now it's production. I don't have recognition. What I was doing before is first recognition, very stretched in time. Most likely when I was about to finish the deck or finish it at all, I did the production cuts. And this usually was several years before I started. I think that's not the way. In SuperMemo, I don't want to do this. I don't want to recognition. I tried this. So now what I have is I have the English and I have to recall the Norwegian. So let's say lady, dame. Before in Anki I had this. Okay, this means lady, and then I had to recall the gender. This is pretty obvious, it's feminine word, but in some cases it's not. So that's a big deal, and I can tell I go a lot slower in the sense of doing repetitions. I need more time, and I do a significant amount less amount of new items per day. But the thing is that the speed it's not important, it's not relevant. You want to learn good quality and semantically. So what I do when I new cards, new items. Let's say student. I try to make simple sentences, so I can say now, oh, that lady is a student, and I do this incrementally. And I can tell, oh, this old lady, it's married, or so on, because I have here already the word. Even though I haven't created by hand these items, I do learn it semantically. Because first I learn from the PDF, and then here. And I don't review right away. So let's say I go for blocks, so this will be the next block of 20 items. I go one by one to make sure, okay, I have seen this in the textbook.
Det går bra.
Oh, this makes sense.
Ha det bra.
Because in some cases the pronunciation, there's some irregularity in the pronunciation or in the spelling.
Ha det.
So when I do this, I am doing a passive review before the first actual review because it's pending.